Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable ANC for your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. So basically we have a few options how to enable or disable it. We can use an application or we can use gestures. And let's get started by use the application. Open XIAOMI Earbuds application, and if you add your earbuds here, you will see the same menu. And right here we have ambient sound control. So firstly we need to put these earbuds to the ears. And to enable it in the application, just tap at the noise cancellation. To disable it, swap to transparency mode or turn off both of these modes. Now, as I said previous, we can also use gestures, and by default you need to press and hold at the touch areas on your left or right earbuds. Touch areas located at the left side on your left earbud, right here we have it, and at the right side of your right earbud, right side, yeah, and right side here. Now you need to press and hold on it, so I'm going to press and hold, and as you can see I swap to ANC. To disable it, also press and hold, but you will swap to transparency. You cannot turn off it, because from transparency you will swap to ANC. No? Oh, okay, so by default you can't do this, but I just changed it at the gesture. Sorry, I missed it, I forget. You need to, if you want to also turn off both of these modes, you need to check at the off, at your left or right earbuds, because we can use both of it. And if you, let's say, select to turn off these modes at your left earbud, if you move to the right earbud, as you can see, it's disabled here. And now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!